conozco para una pintura para impregnación, pero para laminada.
Información de las partes.
Oh, vale.
Esta de aquí.
Ok, ¿es para laminada?
Sí, este sirve para laminado.
Vale, gracias. Like those laundry baskets. There we go. This one is perfect. $0.95. Okay, I'm good. Now, let's measure this, see if I can get it out the door. 40, 45, 46? I'm just gonna try it. It's probably not gonna work, but... So do I take this down or do I take this down? Okay, let me get my level. Okay, well, it's basically level. It's just a little bit towards this line, but that's because there's a massive dip in the floor right there. I already know that. But it's like, you know, pretty level. So the idea is that this is going to be the height of the bed and the bed frame, and then the mattress is going to sit on top. So this is the height that I want to have my supports running around the edges. Not gonna lie, I don't have much energy right now. It's also because I haven't eaten today, so I should probably eat. But yeah, I don't know how much I'm gonna get done today, to be honest. We'll see. You are coming with me to the kitchen. They haven't said anything about the damage on those yet, so we'll see what happens with that. So I have two different lengths of battens. They are both the same size in terms of width and depth, but they're different heights. That seemed a lot shorter than it should be. I should have 2 meters and I should have 3 meters, but that doesn't look like it's 3 meters to me. No, because it's broken. For fuck's sake. Half of it's still in the package. It had a knot here, so obviously it's broken on that knot. It's fine. I can't be bothered. I actually can't be bothered. Still with another. Whoops. This should be the actual height of the 3 meter one because I got a 3 meter one. Anyway, whatever. Let's just get my cutting stuff out and get to cutting. So I have power tools, but I'm going to use a handsaw for this. It's relatively thin and softwood, so it's just easy to cut by hand before I start going back and forth. Nice, fairly clean cut. Sorry about that. Hi friends! I finished the bed. Well, sort of. The plan for the bed that I had didn't quite work out because I couldn't drill deep enough into the wall to get the wall plugs. They're called wall plugs. The wall plugs and screws like deep enough to hold it. I had planned to do a kind of structure anyway, but I have just done a more reinforced version of that. It was a bit of a jigsaw puzzle. I knew kind of what I had to do, but getting the lengths right and the heights right was just a bit of back and forth. So there are some things that I still need to do. One is to attach these. Hi friends, good morning. Today is paint day. I have already prepped the very minimal surfaces there are to prep with tape, just to protect the things I don't want to paint. And then I've also put an old bed sheet on the floor to protect the floor. I just have a brush, it's fluffy because this wall is not plastered smoothly, so there are bumps and stuff. So I got a fluffy brush for that. I first of all just need to do a very light sand of all of the areas that I patched up over the last couple of days, and then from there we can get to painting. I don't think it should take me too long, she says.
That's what she said.
It is 12:14 and I hope I should get it done in about an hour and a half. So let's go. Okay, let's see. Alright, of an old paintbrush that I'm going to throw away. Let's get, yeah, okay. get you love drunk off my hump, my hump, my hump, my hump, my hump, my hump. Oh, no, no drama, no, 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 no drama, so don't pull on my hand, boy. Gonna do with all that drama inside the trunk. I'm gonna get you drunk, get you love drunk off my hump. Okay, so I brought the paint up. And apparently you're supposed to take the tape off while the paint is still wet to get a really, really crisp line. I am going to go and do a second coat, but I think, as recommended, I'll take the tape off now. And then when I go back in for a second coat, I will just not go all the way to the top and then go over it with a paintbrush to make the line really crisp, because I can do a pretty straight line with a paintbrush. I think it was the right decision to go up, so I'm happy about that. I'm going to do a little ASMR moment for you with taking the tape off. So enjoy. I think I like it. I made a mistake right there. Can you see it? Okay, I'll get closer. But yeah. Now I need to go in with the second coat. I'm not going to bore you watching me do the second coat, so I'll just do it and then I will come back once I've done.
A few moments later. Hi friends, so I ended up doing 3 coats of the paint on the wall. That was mainly because it was still quite blotchy in areas, and also to cover up that blue arch that was in that corner over there, and then also some paint samples that were on this wall here. I have also just gone and reinforced the bed on the corners with some L brackets, and then also down here to secure the drawers to the wall as well. Painting took slightly longer than I thought. It took 2 days, 1.5, rather than just 1, but that's okay. And today was a fairly short day because I went out last night, so. But despite it being a short day, that is pretty much it, because I am on my way to have a facial. Get the skin glowing. And so that is it for today, and probably this episode. Next time I will be working on the desk, the trim, painting the furniture, because I'm not going to keep it this wooden colour. I'm going to paint it a really lovely green, as you saw in episode 1. So I'm really excited about that, because that will really mean the room is just coming together, and the main bits of the room will pretty much be done after that. And of course, I need to put the insulation on this wall. They finally got back to me saying that they're going to come tomorrow to take the one that they delivered and replace it with a new, hopefully not broken and not chipped version. Obviously, I still need to put the top of the bed on, but that will be at some point, maybe next time, but probably the time after. Like, it'll just be one of the finishing things that I do. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next episode.